Verifying your merchant account on Rapyd is an essential step to ensure that you can start processing payments smoothly. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create your Rapyd account. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Provide business information. Once your account is created, log in and navigate to the account settings. Fill out the required business information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number. Step 3. Upload required documents. Prepare and upload the necessary documents for verification. This typically includes your business registration documents, a government-issued ID, and any other requested financial documents. Step 4. Complete the verification form. After uploading your documents, fill out the verification form provided by Rapyd. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches the documents you submitted. Step 5. Wait for approval. Submit your verification request and wait for Rapyd to review your application. This process may take a few days. You will receive an email notification once your account has been verified. Once you have completed these steps, you will be ready to start using your Rapyd merchant account for transactions. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Rapyd support team for assistance.